If you want to start using Jobber, you should click on the link in the description to get the best discount. The home page of your Jobber account, look at the sidebar on the left. Click Client. This will bring you to the client overview page. As you can see, I currently have 0 clients. To add a new client, click the New Client button located in the upper right corner of the page. You'll be directed to the New Client form. Here, you'll need to input the details of your client, such as their name, contact information, and any relevant property details. Once you fill out all the necessary fields, click the Save Client button. And that's it! You've successfully set up a new client in Jobber. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.